Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rebiana. So today's video is sponsored by Nadula's hair. This company is not new to my YouTube channel at all because I have reviewed for them a couple of times. So today they sent me over a 22-inch body wave lace frontal wig unit. A little things about this wig that I want to point out is that most of the parting space is coming in the crown area, you guys, and on the side you're only getting probably about 2 inches of parting space, so you wouldn't be able to do a deep side part or anything like that. So anyways, things that I've done before I put on this wig was apply foundation under the lace. I did not bleach the knots, and I also plucked this unit, as you guys probably could tell. Now, one thing that I absolutely love about this wig is that the lace is literally top of the toppers. Like, they have really good lace. I don't know what kind of lace this is. I'm pretty sure it's not the HD lace. But this lace is so good. It melts into my skin so well. It's literally like almost like the best lace I've had in a while. It just looks really good, you guys. I don't know what kind of lace it is. I'm going to have to ask the company what kind of lace they use on this wig unit so that I can put it down in the description box for you guys. But if you guys are looking for a wig that has really good lace, this is the wig to get. As you guys could see, like, even with me cutting, you can barely even see the lace, and it's not even glued on. Like, really good lace, you guys. Look at that. It looks really good. So highly recommend you guys get this wig because of the lace. Also, for the wig quality, I can't remember if this is the wig that I wore to New Orleans, or was it another wig? I think it was this wig. I did wear it was this wig. I wore this wig to New Orleans, you guys. So I wore it for like 5 days after the review. So, and it held up. I used a lot of spritz and stuff on my hair because I wanted, you know, my hair to hold its curl and stuff like that. But I didn't have any problems with my hair tangling or matting in the back. After I got home from vacation or whatever, I took it off. I took it off because I just needed to take my wig off, y'all. Like, it was just like crazy. But other than that, you guys are going to basically just see me melt this wig unit. Please keep in mind that this lace is bomb, you guys, and if you are looking for a really good body wave wig unit, I would recommend this one because the lace is really good. So I will leave everything down in the description box if you guys want to purchase it. I will leave everything in the description box along with the density and the lengths, and if there's any additional discount codes that you all can use before you guys purchase this wig, that will also be great as well. But in the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching the video, and I'll talk to you guys at the end.